Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Django integrity error or not null constraint failed. As you can see, there is an error on my website. If I refresh my page, then there is no error, but whenever I try to submit a form, so if I click on submit, then you see that this kind of error showing on my website, and I spent too much time for this today because I tried to solve this manually, but I didn't find a single solution on Google. But after spending lots of hours, I can actually figure out what kind of mistake I did. So basically, this kind of error comes when we did two types of simple mistake. And this kind of error basically comes when we did a silly mistake. And absolutely this is silly mistake because we never notice our code properly. So if I show you my code, that you can see I did a very silly mistake. So if I open my Python, here you can see I write everything perfectly on my code. The only thing I'm missing on my code, the input field name. As you can see, I typed everything properly, but there is a mistake on my code, which is my input field name. So if I write the input field name here, you will see that this problem will be solved in just a second. So if I save it now and refresh my project, and if I now fill out the field and submit the form, then you see there is no error on my website. And if I show you my admin panel, and if I show you contacts, then you will see there is two contacts available. The first one is when after I fixed my form, I did a submit, and another one is just now I did a form submit. So contact object 2, as you can see, tell me why you want to contact me. So this is step number 1, and here you will see the another step. So basically this is absolutely silly mistake. So go to your models. So go to your app models, and here if you type a name, instead of name you type just type NME, and if you now try to submit the form, then you will see that this error generate again. As you can see. So let me show you another way. I'm going to my views, and if I type here, so if I remove a from name, and if I now submit the form, then you'll see that same error generate when we submit the form. So not null integrity error at contact not null constraint fail. So basically this is a type of mistake. Whenever we write our code, we don't notice our code properly. So to fix your problem, just check your code again and again, then it will solve your problem automatically. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel for more awesome tools.